Hi everyone, it's Ricky from the Gambier Library. First of all, hoping everyone's safe and doing well. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to talk you through an app called Press Reader. So Press Reader is a free app and available to all members of the Gambier Library. So what it does, it allows you to access many magazines, which you'll normally read in physical magazine form, from your tablet or mobile phone. So let's get started. So the very first thing we need to do is to ensure we have the Press Reader app. This app is available for both Apple as well as Android devices. I'm using an iPad, so if you're using an Android device it may look a little bit different, but hopefully this tutorial will still help you. So once you've installed the app, we just tap it to open. And then on the left hand side, we're just going to press Accounts. From here on the left hand side, you'll see the Sign In button. Press that. We should now see this box. So you'll see the Libraries and Groups button down the bottom. We're just going to tap on that. Now we're just going to press Select Library or Group. Once it loads and it gives us the opportunity to type, we're just going to type in South Australia. And as we start typing, you should see the Library South Australia Public Library Network. We're just going to tap on that. Okay, so now we should see the library card number fields. We're just going to type in the number on the back of our library card and then the PIN number. So if you're unsure what your PIN number is, please contact the Gambier Library and we'll be happy to reset it for you. Once we've entered these details, we're just going to click Sign In. Next step is to enter our email address, select a password, and type in our first and surname. Once we've done this, we can press the green Agree button at the bottom of that window. So now that we're all joined up, it's just a matter of finding our magazines. Although it's possible to search for particular titles, I'm just going to tap the Browse button on the left hand side there. I can now see a whole group of different categories. I'm just going to scroll down until I get to the Home and Garden category. Once I've done this, I can then select the country. So I'm looking for Australian magazines, so I'm just going to tap Australia. Now all the Australian magazines that fit into this category will be visible. I'm just going to tap on the Better Homes and Gardens. So enlarged there on the left hand side is the current issue. I've also got the previous issues on the right hand side there, with the smaller covers. I can also just press the read button to read them online, but it's also possible to download them by pressing the little down arrow underneath each cover. So I'm going to do that for the current issue. It would likely take a minute or so to download, but then from now on, if I press the downloaded option on my main menu, I will see my downloaded magazines. I'm just going to tap on the magazine I've just downloaded, the Better Homes and Gardens magazine. Now that I've done this, I can see the magazine on my screen, and I can just swipe left and right to flick the pages. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope it's helped you out, but if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact the library.